This is Mabel, and welcome to Thrive at the Top, where we explore how leadership, high performance, and operational systems intersect in high-pressure environments. In this series, we are examining crisis in aviation, not from isolated incidences, but from a systems and governance perspective. And today, we are talking about technical failure. More importantly, why what we call technical failure is often the final point in a chain of human and system factors. When something goes wrong in aviation, the immediate question is, what failed? And often the answer points to a component, a system, a mechanical issue. And that's important. But here's the problem. We stop the analysis too early, because in most cases, the technical failure is not the beginning of the problem. It is the end point of a system under pressure. Let's shift the lens. Every technical system in aviation is designed, maintained, operated, interpreted by people, which means human performance is not external to the system. It is part of the system. And when human performance is affected by fatigue, cognitive overload, time pressure, incomplete information, poor communication, then even the best technical systems can fail. Not because they were faulty, but because the conditions around them were compromised. Aviation does investigate human factors, but here's where it often falls short. Human factors are documented, acknowledged, reported, but not always governed at systems level. Instead, they are framed as contributory factors, behavioral issues, or situational variables, rather than system design considerations that require structural intervention. So what happens? We fix this component, we update the procedure, we retrain crew, but we don't always fix the environment that created the conditions. At board and executive level, technical risk is well understood. There are maintenance schedules, compliance audits, engineering oversight, regulatory frameworks. But where is the equivalent for the human performance risk? Where is the oversight for cognitive load under pressure? Where is the oversight for decision-making degradation? And where is the oversight for communication breakdown in complex environments? And where is the oversight in fatigue accumulation across the systems? Because without this, we are governing machines, but not the people who operate the machines. Let's get into the SAFE Pillars framework, because this is where it becomes critical. Let's start with the S, self-awareness. Are individuals equipped to recognize degraded performance, overload, early warning signs, or are they reacting too late? Let's talk about accountability. Who is accountable for human performance under pressure? Who is accountable for decision quality in complex environments? If it's unclear, it's not governed. Let's talk about F, foundations. This is where integration happens. Do your systems incorporate human limits into design? Do your systems adapt to operational variability? And do your systems monitor human risk in real time? Or are human factors still separate from core operations? And lastly, E, empowerment. Can individuals speak up, challenge decisions, or report concerns without hesitation? Because if they can't, your system is compliant but not resilient. So let's talk about what strong leaders do differently. Leaders who operate at this level that we're talking about expand the definition of risk. They go beyond technical into human and systematic. Number 2, these leaders integrate human performance into governance, not as an add-on, but as a core. Thirdly, leaders design for real-world conditions, not ideal scenarios. So as we close this conversation, I want you to think about technical failures are visible. Human and system failures are not, but they are always present. And if they are not governed, this is what I want you to take away. They will eventually surface through the system. So if you're operating at executive or board level, this is your opportunity to move beyond compliance and into true system integrity. We at Complete Wellbeing Global support organizations in embedding human performance risk governance frameworks. We help you design integrity conditioning, cognitive load management systems, and integrated operational risk oversight. book your workplace and safety resilience consultation, because the question is not what failed, but what conditions made the failure possible. This is Mabel. Until next time, lead well, live well, and don't just survive at the top.